Robots, smart factories, and next-gen logistics. The China International Supply Chain Expo has become a global networking hotspot, all about building more resilient, connected supply chains. This is the third edition of the Expo, and it continues to grow and attracting more industry leaders each year. Why this spotlight on Chinese supply chains continue to grow and shine brighter than ever? Let's start with beauty. L'Oreal made its debut at the Expo. Supply chains in the beauty bees way more crucial than most people realize. It's not just about making products, it's about getting them into consumers' hands fast.
Manufacturing in Yichang and Suzhou, the new fulfillment center which have been implemented in Suzhou is what we call the smart fulfillment center, driven by technology, driven by machine learning.
The expo's in Beijing, but L'Oreal's logistics engine is revving in Suzhou, over 1,000 kilometers away. The city might not be a household name, but it's a key pillar in the company's China operations.
Probably where the consumer are.
Exactly. Suzhou is located right next to Shanghai, one of China's biggest consumer markets. And with China's e-commerce boom, speed is everything. That new center, it ships 7,000 direct-to-consumer orders per hour.
What the purpose of that is making sure that any consumer can get his product wherever he is, as fast as he needs. And our Chinese consumers are extremely demanding. They want to have the best product, the right product, right now. Us, L'Oreal, on our own, we cannot support the scale and the speed of a China business. So
that's where local suppliers step in, making scale and speed possible. Now, let's head to the skies. Airbus was also at the expo for the first time. The aerospace giant has been in China for 40 years with a major milestone. The first Airbus final assembly line outside Europe is located in China.
The first one is Tianjin. That's where our manufacturing site is. So the largest and biggest site we have in China is Tianjin.
Tianjin is right next door to Beijing. So convenient, right? Well, there's more to the story.
Why Tianjin? It's close to the water, so it's important for the sections to arrive. And it's a big city in China, so therefore it has good conditions for us.
And across China, local suppliers are helping Airbus push towards its next goal, greener skies.
We're looking at ways of being in itself more sustainable, using parts, using pieces, using material again, doing smart way of manufacturing, being in a sustainable production environment. That's where these people help us, and we're very confident that we can do even more in China.
The size and speed of the Chinese market is pushing companies to step up, whether it's beauty or aerospace. More efficiency, more innovation, more partnerships. And that's what's turning China's supply chain into a global engine of growth.